I'm going to show you whether Exotica travel is worth booking for your next trip. Exotica offers all-in-one international tour packages covering flights, hotels, guided activities, and some meals at relatively low prices. Their packages span over 60 countries and can be booked directly through their website or app, making it easy to manage your itinerary. The main advantage is convenience. Flights and activities are prearranged, and prices are often much cheaper than booking everything separately. For travelers who want a structured trip without the stress of planning, Exotica can be a great solution. However, there are some consistent complaints. Customer support can be slow or unresponsive, especially if you need help during the trip. Some users report last minute flight changes, long layovers, and surprise fees for upgrades or optional excursions. While the base package is affordable, the extras can add up quickly. In short, Exotica is best for flexible travelers who value cost savings and convenience, but it's not ideal if you need tight control over your travel plans or expect top tier customer service. Always read the fine print, check recent reviews, and consider travel insurance just in case.